Guys, I am in desperate need of a glow up. It's fake tan day. I'm about to tan, scrub off the old tan, out with the old, in with the new, and I got a lot to do. But I'm back with another video, and it's very exciting really because it's the first holiday of the year for me. Made it to May, first time going abroad. So this video is a holiday prep and pack with me. In other words, a holiday glow up and get my shit together because the situation that you can't see over there really needs some attention. Actually, when this video is out, I've already been on holiday. I'm going to Turkey with my boyfriend's family. I'm very excited. All inclusive, guys. But yeah, once this video is out, I'm actually back. So anyway, guys, I recently went to a wedding. I'm sorry, I did not realise how fun weddings were. It was the best day of my life this year. I had so much fun. And do you want to know the crazy part? I was at a wedding with Tanya Burr, for the girls that are gonna just understand me on every level here. I was at a wedding with Tanya Burr. Sorry, that is my childhood. I was in the toilet, just me and her, twice. If that's not a sign, I don't know what is. And I didn't say anything. The thing is, I didn't know what to say. I don't want to come across like a fan. Really just wanted to go up to her and be like, look, I used to make your cookies, mate. I used to get your nail varnish for Christmas. Like, it was a crazy time. Anyway, I really need to get a move on. I'm going to jump in the shower, wash my hair, scrub my tan off. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Jesus Christ, I'm pale. This is genuinely Casper the Friendly Ghost. Look, yes, okay, I'm one of those girls that fake tans before she goes on holiday. I wasn't blessed with the melatonin skin. So yes, I do fake tan before I go away. Please no judgments, just gotta do what you feel most comfortable doing. Now, I'm going to be fake tanning today with the Tanceuticals self-tanning body mousse in Ultra Dark. Now, this is the second time I'm filming this. Yeah, my SD card somehow corrupted and it just... I got text. So my SD card corrupted and it randomly deleted a load of clips, which is heartbreaking to say the least because I don't know why I did it. And it's taken me time to build up to actually refilm this because it's not even just like it was a little clip that I can easily refilm. I did my whole tanning routine and I tried out the product that I've really kindly been sent from Tanceuticals, and it was my first impressions and everything. And when I was going to refilm it, I thought I could so easily just pretend like this is my first time round again, but that wouldn't have been being true to myself and it wouldn't have been very authentic of me, and I'm an honest person, okay? So I have already tried this. Spoiler alert, I loved it. Really not ideal, but here we go. I washed and dried my hair, so that is all fresh. So it is the tanning mousse in Ultra Dark, which I think I already said. And then also the self-tanning face serum, also in Ultra Dark. And guys, comes with a pink fake tan mitt. Doesn't get much better than that. Right, I'm all moisturised. Let's quickly talk you through my tanning routine. If you're not a tanner and if this means nothing to you, then I'm sorry and feel free to skip. But for those of you who are interested, I've been fake tanning for years, so I feel like I have a fair bit of knowledge now in the fake tan regime. So my tanning routine, I kind of like to think of it as in 2-week time blocks rather than a week. Just hear me out a second. I usually like to tan every Wednesday night, and I know that's a bit vague. I know it's like tan Thursday and all that, but that just seems to be what works for me, and it means it's an extra day of me feeling good in the gym pretty much, and it still lasts until the weekend. So okay, it's Wednesday night, I tan tonight. Next Wednesday I will only scrub it off the bits that are patchy, so that will be my neck, my ankles, my hands and my feet. I only use a flannel to scrub off my tan, nothing else. I feel like everything else is just a bit of a gimmick. Like, I have tried things in the past. A flannel just works well for me. I don't know if that's because of how long I've left it on, or if it's because of the tans that I'm using, but I know a lot of people struggle to get their tan off. I also, if you don't already, I moisturise every single day, sometimes twice a day. After every shower I will moisturise my body, and I feel like that helps tan come off so much easier. I feel like if you're just leaving your body to be dry and tiger ready, then you're not getting that tan off anytime soon. Yes, so then it technically means that the second week I'm a little bit darker, just a tad, but that's what works for me. It means I don't have to do a full body scrub every single week. I mean, I don't really know what my main tips are for tanning. Obviously the the usual standard tips. Moisturise the dry areas of the body that the tan is likely to cling to more so. In fact, let's put a little bit more, I've already moisturised, but always put extra on your elbows, on your wrists, your knuckles, your knees, and your ankles. Shake, 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 shake. Sorry, pink packaging, it's just really the win for me. I was watching some other people's reviews of this before it arrived. They were like, oh, it's got a bit of a violet pigment in it, and I thought, what on earth are they on about? I see it with my eyes. I doubt you're going to be able to see it through here. Smells of coconut, it is a lovely smell. Circular motions, it actually smells lovely. Wow, that's such a nice smell. What's in there? Oh, okay. Infused with cosmeceuticals like acai berry, argan oil and pomegranate extract. When it comes to my hands, I leave them till the end. So I would just do my entire body, head to toe, and then when it gets to the end, I'll just go over my hands with what is left on the mitt. Remember to get in between, and then I'll go over my nails, but then I'll grab a makeup wipe and just wipe over my nails because we don't want to do these bi-abs, do we now? I'm now going to tan the rest of my body off camera, so I'll get back to you and then we can do my face. I do actually do my face first usually, but for some reason I haven't today, so that's that. But the last thing I have to do is tan my face. I'm going in with the self-tanning face serum, ultra dark. Now, I think you just apply it straight on without moisturiser, because what I remember from last time is that it is actually really moisturising. Ooh, okay, here we go. Yeah, it's really light on the skin, very hydrating. It smells lovely. I am just using this little mitt to apply it, but you can probably use it with your hands, to be honest. It's just because I've now tanned my hands, I don't want to have to wash them straight away, you know. I'm all tanned up in my Tanceuticals, and let's see what it looks like tomorrow after I've slept in it. Hey guys, it's the next day and I look like I've been on holiday. This is all washed off. I'm feeling bronzed, to say the least. Even it just changes the colour of my hair. Does anyone find that? Like, they look blonder. Love it. It's not sticky. It doesn't transfer into your sheets. Yeah, I just feel like it's a really natural look. So yeah. Thanks Tanceuticals for sending me this. I love big tans. Link in the description if you guys want to try this tan out for yourself. Highly recommend. I'm really excited because I've been sent some swimwear bikinis. Sorry. Being sent swimwear is just next level. Oh my god, I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. Berlook reached out to me and very kindly let me choose. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with everything. Like, so nice. I actually chose a few swimming costumes, which is a bit different for me, but they were just too nice. They also came in this really cute bag, which I feel like you could just reuse. All items will be linked in the description box as well. If you like anything, guys, this might be I'm so excited for you to see it all. But yeah, if you like anything, go check out the link. Also, I've got my own discount code, which is very, very exciting. It is for 20% off the site, and the discount code is 20 Lara. Sorry, it's just so cool. My name is in a discount code, so I can't get over that. I'm going to show you this first. So this is a swimming... Is that the front? Okay, there it is inside out. This is a swimming costume. How gorgeous. I'm absolutely loving the black and white contrasting look at the moment. I just think it's lovely, especially with the tan. Also, I forgot to say, they are a sustainable swimwear brand. It says on it all the recycled materials. So cool. I'm gonna have to place it on order after this video because actually no, I don't need any more swimwear. I love this so much. I feel like they're so flattering, such good quality. I am guilty of ordering Shein bikinis every year. I mean, they have the cutest bikinis, but I feel like I've never really had a properly good quality swimming costume or bikini, and now that I have, I can fully see the difference. Like, they have padding. Honestly, I'm blown away. I didn't know this was a thing. I didn't know swimming costumes could be so great. But the quality is so nice. It's actually a little bit ribbed, this one. Love that one. This one, I then just went for a plain black swimming costume because I feel like it looked so flattering on the model. Hopefully I can look like her. I also love how they're not too up your bum, you know. Sometimes, once in a while, you just want those cheeks covered a little bit more, do you know what I mean? Especially for family holidays. When it's not your family. Anyway, moving on. And you can tie it at the front here, so you can make it tighter around here or looser. It basically feels like I'm wearing a bra and looks like I'm wearing a bra when I've got this on, which is just bloody great, really. Okay, then going with the black and white contrasting theme. Oh, sneak peek. I got a bikini, and this is so pretty. But like the back though it's a little bit long, so I might cut the ends of that maybe. But and I love how it's like double at the side. They have so many cute bikinis on there. I wanted all of them. They're so nice. Okay, then I went for this. I'm saving the best till last, by the way. I went for this bikini, which is a little bit different for me, but I just quite like the fact that it's reversible. Okay, this one's a little bit more. It's reversible. I love this colour, and I feel like when you wear it this colour and you've got the blue, you can see the blue, dark blue, do you know what I mean? Just so nice. I don't know if you can see the ribbed. It's just stunning. It's lovely bright summery colour, and I love how the labels are like waterproof. Don't know, it's just little things really, isn't it? And then last but not least, oh my god, I love this so much. You're not even going to be able to really see what's going on when I hold it up, but hopefully you can in the try on. I got a glittery swimming costume. Oh my god. Also, this is quite different for me. I feel like this is very much my mum's style. I never saw myself ordering a glittery swimming costume, but here I am, and I'm so glad that I did. Just imagine me, right, wearing this on my boat trip in Italy coming up. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be on my Capri boat trip. Stop. Thank you so much for sending me them. All the links in the description down below for each of the items, and check out their website in case there's something. I feel like there's going to be new in on there that I'm just going to want, so maybe I won't look. I want it all. No, jokes, I'm going for 4 I've got. Don't forget, 20 Lara for 20% off. 20% off, I mean, come on now. That's a good deal. They're going straight in my suitcase. Okay, it's the next day, and it's mission get all of this into this. I feel like I could definitely have a bigger suitcase, but I'm going to try and put everything in here. I will give you a brief overview of everything that I'm packing. I have already put all of my clothes and stuff into these Ziploc bags, so I can't really show you in detail, but I can give people a rough idea if they want just a quick holiday packing list. One thing I don't have is packing cubes, and I feel like they would probably change my life, but right, all my clothes are here. I've just put my dresses in these Ziploc bags. I am actually going to Italy a week after I get back from Turkey, so I'm trying to save my nicest dresses for Italy because that is what I bought them for. So for Turkey, I've kind of just packed some of my old summer day dresses that I own and stuff like that, because 31 degrees in the evening is meant to be 30 degrees as well. So I've purposely tried to pack dresses that are not tight, a bit more flowy. Comfort is key, okay, comfort is key. Oh yeah, this is my gym workout clothes because there is a gym there that I may or may not use. My running trainers, gym shoes. In here I've just got my cover-ups. When me and Aiden went to Corfu last year, it was the nicest like 5-star all-inclusive hotel, but I went down for breakfast in my cute little crochet cover-up, and the lady took one look at me and was like, do you have anything else? I was like, oh, okay. So I'm making sure that my cover-ups are covering me up, okay? Made that mistake once, not again. I've got my sliders, beach towel, my sandals, which are just very old, very worn Doc Martens. I ordered this last minute because I thought I need everything I can to try and cool me down. So it's like a handheld fan. It's actually very extra, but do you know what? I feel like this could be the saviour of this holiday. My sunglasses. What's in here? Oh, my skincare. I ordered this the other day. I've not tried it yet, but an essential for me because I get so travel sick. SPF sun cream, my face moisturiser, my eye cream, and my inhaler. Okay, then I just have my makeup bag. I don't actually plan to wear much makeup because I feel like if it is that hot, then the last thing we want to be doing is putting much makeup on. But I have just bought sort of basics, essential stuff. in case. In fact, I might not even take this. Not sure. But also I'm going to get a lash lift in about an hour or so. Lash lift in 10. So I feel like I might not even have to wear mascara. That is my hope. I have then just put some jewellery bits in this little bag. In here I've got some hair care stuff, so I just got dry shampoo. I wanted to get a mini one but I ran out of time, so I just have to use what's left in there. And then I've just got some claw clips, different types of clips, hair bands, big hair bands, and like the mini elastic bands. Bringing my curlers. And then, you might laugh, I haven't really got a proper beach bag, so I'm just using this bag that I found. But I guess it's like a pool bag. I've already packed it so that when we arrive at the hotel, I'm just ready to go, guys. I've got this handheld fan, some other sunglasses. I got this Bondi Sands SPF lip balm and my Bondi Sands SPF 30 sun cream. Oh my god, don't you just love these things? Okay, I've then got my wash bag, which as you can see has not been organised yet. I've got my fake tan mitt. I've got my shaving foam. I then have my heat protectant spray. Bought this as well. I've not tried this one yet, so I'm excited to, but I just got a mini body wash. Okay, then I've got a flannel. I've got my Estrad in the travel case. If you haven't got an Estrad travel case, they are a lifesaver. I've got my fake tan in here. Then I've got my shampoo and conditioner. I've got my toothbrush. I've got my hairbrush. I have my deodorant. I've got my hair oil. Actually, I'm going to put that in a Shein bag so that doesn't leak. I've got my perfume. I've then got a mini moisturiser. And then I have my tanning drops in here. And last but not least, I've got my bikinis in this one. Underwear, pyjamas, and then I just use these Berlook bags. I think I'm just going to use them as like dirty washing bags. And then I'm only going to take this tiny little carry-on, I think. I don't tend to need a massive one. I've just got my Amazon, whatever this is, I actually don't know, Fire thing, because I'm hoping to watch a film or something on the plane. And then I've got my Kindle, my new fave thing. Cannot wait to use that for the first time on holiday. My passport, and I'll probably put a lip balm and some other bits in here, but fiver, I can go on my plane snacks. Okay, and I'm going to pack all of this stuff on the bed into the suitcase, so wish me luck. Right, I am just waiting to go in to get my lash lift. I'm really excited. I've not had a lash lift in years. Anyway, I'm really hoping I like it. I don't know why I'm nervous. Yeah, also, sorry, I just found out the news that McFly was playing down the road for me last night. Why don't I ever know about these things? What the hell? And Sophie Ellis-Bextor. And if you think that couldn't get any worse, tomorrow night, Top Loader and Scan for Girls. Guys, Top Loader! I know you're gonna be like, who the hell is that? Actually, the educated ones will know. Dancing in the Moonlight! Could have seen it live. What the hell? No, that's ruined my holiday. Shall I show you guys what I'm thinking of for my nails today? I'm thinking of this pastel yellow. Okay, can you see? Anyway, right, I better go. Here's the before and after. Not being funny, is there really a difference? Not to be negative Nancy, I'm not convinced. Oh well, £69 down the drain. Also, got my nails done, guys. Completely forgot to film. Are they in focus? I literally can't tell. They are screaming holiday to me. Yay! But I'm done. I think I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I am going to Aiden's house in a minute. The taxi is picking us up at 3 in the morning. So I'm going to aim to go to bed at 7 PM tonight, which is just not going to happen, is it? But thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all so much, and there's some exciting videos coming soon, okay? I promise. I promise. Okay, anyway, time to go consume my body weight in Aperol spritz and food for the next 7 days. Okay, love you. Bye. Bye.